The CEC is the central personnel agency of the government. Our job is to make sure government workers are hired, promoted, trained, and disciplined fairly. We protect the merit system, meaning jobs go to the most qualified, not because of favor.
Hey Mark! Excited ko! First time na ako ma-apply ang government job.
Same, medyo hadlock po changes with ang process.
Good morning, sir!
Sir,
Good morning. Have a seat. Good morning. Welcome to the Government HR Office. Unsa inyong purpose karon?
Sir, ma-apply unta ko og administrative aid.
sir, pwede mo ako tala. Kung sa'yo process sa government hiring.
Simple ra. Government hiring must be fair, open, and based on merit. This required by the Civil Service Commission.
CEC? Mao na sila ang nagbantay sa tanang government workers?
Yes, CEC make sure that all government employees are qualified, honest, and perform well.
Good morning, welcome to CEC. Namin po
Ma'am, unsa mo dito ang trabaho mo si ma'am?
So, CSC has three main functions. The first one is role making. I will give you ang roles for government employees. Second one is education. I will decide on compliance and cases. Third one is personal management. I will check kung qualified ang employees, exams, trainings, and etc.
Yes, example, kung government employee tapos hindi mayo bitaw ang trabaho or corrupt, pwede na siya ma-disciplinary under CSC. Mao di ay, so if mo-apply me, CEC ang mag-insure sa fair hiring. Yes, correct. All hiring must be based on merit and fitness.
CEC requires us to do performance evaluation. Kamu duha, please submit your IPCR.
Ma'am, na training next week.
Yes, CEC provides training and development for government workers para mas maayo ang servisyo.
Maayo kay kailangan ako improve ako communication skills.
Exactly, CEC wants professionals, competent, and honest public servants.
Gusto ko mag-file of compliant. Ang usa ka employee, maayo mo dala ang dokumento o sige delay. Pwede ka mag-file sa amo. CEC handles administrative cases like negligence of duty, dishonesty, misconduct, abuse of authority.
Yes, and also we will immediately investigate if proven the employee can receive a penalty from warning up to dismissal.
So, salamat ka na may action o fear gayod siya.
Mamangay anak ko og assistance kay naglilog ko sa requirements.
Sure, sir. Akong tabangan. CEC remind us to give courteous and efficient service. Salamat kaayo. Hinay naman unta ko pero gi-explain mo pag-ayo. It's our duty to serve the people.
Karon kabal na ko. CEC protects government workers and the public.
CEC ensures fair hiring and good service and safety.
CEC helps improve government performance.
Para sa katauhan, para sa serbisyo, para sa good governance.
CEC, Serbisyo para sa tanang Pilipino.
Civil Service Commission, make sure public servants are chosen by merit, train properly, follow ethical rules, and are disciplined when they break the rules. We write policies, run exams, support training, handle complaints, and help offices across the country.